as I talked about in class, that I was going to make a video of the procedure of creating a 3D chess piece in Photoshop. So what I did do, I did create the path around the profile of the piece using the pen tool, and then I did take the direct select and clean up the path. It's not perfect, but it's all right. And I did close that path. So now what I want to do, for sure I want to unlock the background layer, and then I'm making a new layer. So layer 1, and layer 1 is selected, and the path is on layer 1. So I'm going to hide layer 0. Okay, so it should look like this. And then I've opened up the 3D panel, which is found under Window right here. And then also the workspace needs to be 3D. Okay, so those items need to be taken care of. So in the 3D panel under source, you want to choose work path. Make sure that 3D extrusion is checked. Then click create. All right, so that's good. Extrusion depth needs to be 0. Will I get it? Yes. All right. The next step is to go to Deform, which is in the Properties panel. It's the second button from the left. My cursor is kind of hovering over it right now. All right. So now what I want to do is go down to the horizontal angle and set that at 360. So I'm going to drag it all the way to the right. I kind of talked about this in class, that it now looks like a cylinder, but we will fix that. So in the Properties panel, you want to go to the axis. It always defaults to the center. I'm going to move the cursor to the left and click um, the so the axis is on the left, and it's the second button down. So I think you'll be able to see this on well, it's on the instructions, but it'll, obviously you're seeing it on the video right now. All right, so I have my chess piece. Now this was a situation in class today that I was not able to change the view, and we had discussion about this. So I should see in properties um, a, a subtitle which is view, and I should be able to choose the view to be orthographic, but I am not seeing view. There's no scroll bar on the right here. Um, so I'm going to try to see if it's on some of these other buttons. It's not there. It's not that one. It's not there. It's not there. So I'm not seeing it. But this would be fine to submit your exercise with this view. It would be fine. What I just did, I went to my move tool, clicked on it, and then I was able to remove a little bit of the like bounding box just by clicking off of the image. All right, so you can just export or save this as either a Photoshop file or a JPEG. And again, this is, I think I'm going to do 10 points extra credit. Thanks.